Hi there, in this lesson you will learn about the various components that make up Java programming. First, you will learn about the Java Virtual Machine, Java Runtime Environment, and Java Development Kit, and how they work together to enable Java programs to run on different platforms. You will also understand how they differ from each other and their respective roles in the Java ecosystem. Next, you will write a simple Hello World programming Java to understand the basic syntax and structure of a Java program. You will learn how to compile and run the program using command prompt and understand how the code gets executed in the Java. By the end of this lesson, you will have a clear understanding of the different components of Java programming and how they work together to create and execute Java program. See you in the next video.